Okay, real talk. If you're waiting to get a real client before making a portfolio, you're literally delaying your whole career. And in a minute, I'm going to tell the exact mistake I made that slowed me down for months. But first, let's start with the basics. So today we're going to talk about how to build a design portfolio when you have zero clients, not even your cousin's bakery, absolutely nothing. And I'm going to tell you one thing I wish someone told me on day one. Something that would saved me hours of overthinking and honestly would have gotten me more opportunities way sooner. For now, just think we are sitting on a cafe and I'm telling you everything I wish someone had told me. First things first, platforms. There is no one right answer here, but there's one right answer for you. First of all, Behance. It is free, tons of visibility. It is great for beginners. It is easy to upload. This is the platform I used in the beginning also. Then there is Adobe Portfolio. It is free if you have Creative Cloud. It is super clean. It looks very professional and you can choose from different designs. And it is literally building a whole site without even coding it. Then there is Notion. It is also free, very minimal. It is that aesthetic design vibe. If that's you, you can go for it. Then there is Wix or Squarespace, which is actually paid, but of course there is more customization and clients take it way more seriously. If you want to feel like a studio and not just a student, this is a good option. And also having your own domain, it's literally everything. In my case, I'm currently using Adobe Portfolio and it works perfectly for me. First option is college work. If you're in design school, use the projects you made. I don't care if it's a simple magazine layout or a logo exercise you did. If you explain your process well, everything can become portfolio worthy. And you may think, but everyone did the same project. Trust me, your execution and your way to do the things makes it completely yours. The second option, and honestly the backbone of every beginner portfolio, fake project. No client needed, just fake clients. And here's the actual trick. Pick the clients you want to work with in the future, not the ones you have. You want to work with beauty brands? Make a skincare brand. You love food branding? Rebrand your favorite local cafe. You are into tech? Build an AI app concept. You're not lying, you're showing your full potential. And the best part, you control everything, literally everything. Colors, typography, the vibe you want to go with, the resources, everything, you control it. Okay, and this is exactly why I made the brief wall. Because coming up with a good fake brief, one that actually challenges you, like a real client would, is way harder than it sounds. So I made 30 of them. They're completely free just to get you started. Link is below in the description if you want them. Okay, back to it. This is the thing I wish someone had told me on day one. People don't hire you because your designs look pretty. They hire you because you think like a designer. So every project, whether it's fake, whether it's real, needs a short case study. It doesn't need to be very long. It just needs to have these four things. One, what the client needed. For example, they needed a rebrand that felt more modern to attract more Gen Z customers. Two, your approach on this project. For example, this is the palette I use and why. I built a logo that communicates X. I wanted the brand to feel more approachable. 3. The result itself. So mockups, variations, social posts, packaging, everything you did for this project. And 4. Your actual role on this project. This part is very important. Clients want to know what you actually did in this project. To write it out, you did a logo design, you explored color palettes, typography, packaging mockups, social media design. Be specific on what you did because it makes you look more professional. And honestly, this is what the paid version of my briefs give. There is real feedback rounds, real constraints. We actually have material to build a case study from, and not just a pretty picture with nothing to talk about. Your project can be beautiful, it can be perfect, but a good mockup takes it from student work to studio level. Free mockup sites like FreePic, Mockup World, Mockup Tree, Pixpine, Behance freebies, and Graphic Burger are really helpful for this. And please, no fake shadows from 2015. It has to be clean, minimal, and modern. That's it. Nobody wants a robot portfolio. You are not a design machine. You are your own main character. So add your own personality. Add your story, why you like design, your aesthetic, your vibe, everything that's you. Whether it's photos or videos of your actual process, everything that sounds like you. Clients actually love this every time. Now, quick round, 5 things I want to end with. One, stick to 6 to 9 projects max. Nobody wants to go through 40 assignments. They don't have time for that. Always quality over quantity. Two, start sharing your work on social media from day one. Generally, don't wait until you feel ready because you will never feel ready. Trust me, I have gone through that. Three, update your portfolio every 4 to 6 months. You grow fast and your portfolio should too. 4. Study other designers' case study, not to copy but to see how they explain those projects they make. And 5. Don't apologize for being new. You are still learning and clients prefer honesty way more than fake confidence. Okay, the thing I told you at the beginning, I waited for a real client to make my portfolio, which was the biggest mistake I ever made. And that is exactly what stopped me from getting one. You don't need permission to start, you don't need experience to show your own potential, and you don't need clients to be a designer. Your portfolio creates clients, not the other way around. So just start, make fake projects, explain your process, show your work. You have got nothing to lose and generally everything to gain.